Good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Market getting ugly. Very straightforward. We did very well yesterday. We bought SPX puts, and we bought more SPX puts. Sold them. You roll 70 cents to the next one. That's it. Okay? Very straightforward. SPX moving again. But here's the interesting part. And I don't really know exactly what to make of this yet. We'll know in here in a little while. But Nvidia, SPX was down 9, and Nvidia was at 460. SPX is down 22. These options are up $2 already. SPX is up 22. Down 22. So it's dropped from 9 to 22. It's dropped 13, and Nvidia is holding. But I think what's going to happen, it's going to break, and it's going to test at 452. And if 452 breaks, look out below. You got your event. Now, here's what's going on. What I think is they're going to break the market. They're going to break the market. They're going to break rates higher. And this oil going up is going to rip the CPI up. If this happens, market collapses. But here's the issue. The oil price rise is not going to show up in this CPI. Isn't that interesting? Okay? That's what we know. Look, nothing is moving up. KLA 10 core and AMAT hit highs yesterday. So because they hit the high, that Lam Research was better than both of them, should have hit the high. But it couldn't go. It tried to go. Well, it got to, 708. And then the whole market rolled over and it don't. Okay? We're sitting on some Tesla puts. They're going to do very nice. SPX is doing very nice. Would love to get 20 out of those. That would be good. AI looks like it's going to collapse. These companies, they're lying to you on how much business they have. They have a lot of phone calls. I'm not telling you that's not true. AI, they have 10,000 customers calling them for information. But they can't even get them the information. And then you have to close them. And that isn't happening yet. Looks like it wants to happen, but it's not happening yet. Okay? Now, Microsoft, we kept telling you, Microsoft keeps trying to get this 333, and it's holding very well. And are they going to introduce Copilot? When they do, you have a 10-point winner that day. You just buy the stock. You don't have to do anything. Just buy the stock. It's going to rip. Okay? And then we see. Yesterday's action was weird because SMCI didn't cave, but Nvidia caved. But this surely looks like we're about to break lower. SPX down 22, that puts at 44.45. Underneath 44.39 is a dive, pretty hard dive. Okay? So that's what we know. Don't force trade. We're going. Yesterday, I bought these SPXs and I only bought 35 of them at 80 cents. Think about it. 35 of them at 80 cents. That's a $3,000 trade. It's a $3,000 trade. Went to $5. A nice 15K profit. Nothing wrong with that. Just go slow. Tesla. What did I buy? About 25 Tesla. They're going to double today. Now I may add, but I keep telling you guys, I'm trying to teach you, okay? Go slow. It doesn't matter what week it is. Go slow, get the profit. So now we're in profits for the week already because we had sold the Netflix way up. And so we're already in profit. Not a ton, but a little bit because we're going slower. So now you can take some shots with the profit. Okay? Interesting, right? That's trading. And if you do that, you do well. Okay? So, but today, the huge key is this Nvidia 452. If Nvidia breaks 452, 438, and they will take the market down to 4,400, that'd be nice. Then we see. Roku. I've told you guys for years, I tell you over and over again certain things, and pay attention. Roku is shit. It's the epitome of a shit company. Think about it. Oh, let's go tell all the employees. Let's have an employee meeting. Oh my God, we're raising guidance. We're doing great. You have 2,000 people there. Oh my God, this is great. High five, everybody. Okay. 10 minutes later, but we're laying off 10% of you. I mean, think about that. Think about in the 70s and 80s. If a company was doing good, you were dedicated to them. I told you, like my dad. I mean, my dad, still to this day, will tell you GM liked him. I said, GM didn't like you. They don't even know who the hell you are. People hate to hear that. But I'm telling you, it's true. It is true. Okay? They don't give a shit about you. Elon hadn't even paid people, maybe he has now, from Twitter that he laid off. He wasn't even paying them. Think about that. On the severance that he owed him. That's the world you live in. Okay? That's the world you live in. Now, what is Tesla doing? I have no idea what the hell he's doing. Yes, somebody's talking about yoke. What he's charging you for a steering wheel? $3,000 or $1,000. He raised the price. What the hell is that all about? And you know the funny part? See, this is the funny part. Think about this. When I bought my Corvette, okay, it's got like 16 speakers it comes with, okay, radio package. You want to upgrade it to 22 speakers? You can't even fit 22 speakers in the car. All they do is they make the bigger speakers smaller. Imagine how many stupid people go buy the 22 speakers. Okay? This is what Elon's doing. Oh, we got this leather wrapped steering. I don't even know what the yoke is. I'm just making shit up. Here on this. He just said, oh, we took the price of the car, $20,000. Let's go charge it. You know, we're going to put a shifter in there in the car, and we're going to make it chrome. $3,000. There's a bunch of idiots that'll buy it. Yeah, there are. There are. And people know that. Elon, as a businessman, is an absolute genius, super smart. Love Elon for his business side, but he's a real piece of shit human being. I'm telling you. Just understand, there's a difference. Now, you don't give a shit, you only care about the stock. Okay? So know that. Know that. Okay? Netflix tried to break up yesterday. Roku News was hugely positive, even though it's a shit company. And that's why it went down. It went down because everybody says that who the hell wants to be in a company that's just laying off people to make more money? Let's just lay off people. That just tells you, oh, next quarter won't be as good because we won't lay off people. I'm telling you. Know that. If Roku doesn't lay off people yesterday and just says they're raising guidance, the stock is at 100. Because I know what stocks do. Okay? Look at our SPXs are 9. Jesus, we may get 20 pre-market. That would be nice. I mean, this thing looks ugly, and it starts with Nvidia. That's all you need to know. All you need to know. $9.80, $10. Whoa, our SPXs are flying. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? It's 4. Nice. 20 grand winner off the bat. SCMI, see if it breaks. If it breaks, it's 240. 240, not 260, 240. NOW, very strong, continues to go lower. Microsoft down 3. The market looks ugly. I don't know what news just came. What news? Initial job news came. Come on. 27. Come on. Give me 50. 50. There we go. That's what we know. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 9-7. Stocks go up. Stocks go down. It looks real ugly. And now with oil prices going up and companies acting like shit, they could crater this into a hard recession. Okay? Just know that. I keep telling you about CMG. I tell you about PayPal. Think about what PayPal did to me. Think about what's going to happen to PayPal stock. Not this quarter. They're going to get more money. And it takes time for people to change systems. Think about what PayPal did. They took stuff up 1%. 1%. If you do $4 million, 40 grand. Okay, so they're going to make more money. But they're not. Because everybody like me is going to leave. And that stock is worth $30. It's going to go to shit. Absolute shit. And just wait till I change. And I'm going to go call up a couple analysts at Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. And I'm going to say, I do $4 million worth of business, $5 million worth of business with them. They raised my rates so drastically that I left. So my revenue is gone. They're going to lose my revenue. All of it. They're not even going to make more money. They're going to make less. And then they're going to miss one quarter because everybody else is going to leave. It may take 2 or 3 quarters to do that. Everybody's going to leave, and the company's going to go to complete shit. All these people that are doing this are going to go to shit. I mean, go think about what Walmart has done. Walmart is the food, low-cost food. They're charging you $12 for freaking ham. You go to Tom Thumb or Whole Foods, and you can get it for $7. Whole Foods is less than Walmart. Because Walmart can't, all they're doing is gouging. And you just go to the candy bars as you're walking through. There's no candy bar worth $1.79. They used to be 30 cents 2 years ago. Because they can't. Till they can't. Okay, SPX down 26, I believe. 28, nice. Come on, baby. There's 1080. Come on, baby. Give me 50K before pre-market. Crash. 28, 36, 30 off. You got 44, 35. You got 44, 32, 4409, 4392. Avago, lower, 851, 832, 900. Nvidia, 452 better hold. If 452 doesn't hold, a complete collapse possible. 438. Then you go buy, not next week, go out a week. You go buy the 460s or 470s at $6, and they go to $20 like the other week. Land Research, going lower, 681, 662, needs 907. Apple is down 7, guys. Back-to-back 7. 173. Now, I said some stuff on Twitter yesterday. Let me tell you, people just don't get. They're just not smart. The general person, making a generic statement, is not intelligent. They're like, oh, Xi would never do. Xi just bans iPhones in government offices. Can't even take them in. Can't take them in. Well, what do you think is going to happen if one day he wakes up and he's in Saddam mode, completely stupidity, like Saddam, almost has like $400 billion, and he has girls, and he has cars, and he has houses, and he has a shitter that's made of gold, and he says, I want to live in a ditch and go fight the U.S. If Xi does that, all he has to do is say, I'm going to go into Foxconn and take all their products. He can do it. He's a communist country. He can walk into Tesla and say, all these cars are mine. Tesla can't do shit. But they can. Elon can shut all those cars off over the air. Isn't that interesting? But they'll figure out how to do that. So those two companies are at risk. That's all you have to know. So understand it. Apple has an issue here. 171 breaks, 162. Zscaler, 151. AI. In the greatest AI move of our time, they can't guide up. They can't make a penny. 24, 21. Meta, 303, 291. MDB. This was 419 till the CEO opened his mouth on CNBC. He's down 50 because he's just a moron. They say, are you going to break out your AI sales? No, I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you, and it drops 50 points. Snowman, 151, 148. Caterpillar, 288 is now a beast. Underneath, 277. Roku, 81. Carvana. So cars are getting too pricey now. Carvana did okay. It had its run. This may go right back down hard to 41. First Solar, meeting today on thing. So they guide down 8 weeks ago, and everybody thinks they're going to guide up in 8 weeks. Jesus. Come on, SPX. Completely collapsed. I don't want to sell these, but I got to move them. Hold on a second. I'm going to put this order in. I'm about to go get make 10 points on it. Hold on. 44.40. Pre-market session. Sell the close. 50. 16.5. Okay. Why is it not working? Oh, man. Oh, I got a dot there. There you go. My problem. So hold on a second. Sell the close. 50 limit. I'm going to take 10 points. Got to take 10 points. How do you not take 10 points? Okay. If it gets there. Not there yet. Okay. Netflix. I keep telling you. Let me tell you how my idea on Disney. Disney stock would go up 30 points in an hour if he says, I'm going to put ESPN on Disney Plus for $2. $2. That's it. 100 million people, $200 million a month, 24 million. And that's only half their customer base. Okay. So you say that would happen. Okay. Then you go license it to Netflix and let them charge $2, $3, or $4. They keep $2, you keep $2. That's another $2.4 billion. That means it's $4 billion more a year. The guy just not as Sam. He's just not as smart as Sam. Not creative. Okay? AMD, 101. BKNG, 3072. Shop, 61. Netflix, just be careful. If it comes out that ads are not really selling, this thing is down 50. SMCI, 259, 240. NOW, 588. Microsoft, 333, 326. Tesla. Tesla. If 239 comes, 231 comes. Comments, questions? I think you guys. So stocks go up, stocks go down, always never to the right. You may have confused left and right. There you go. Okay. Thank you guys. Everybody have a great trading day. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? Can we get 1650 pre-market, make 10 points on SPX? That would be fun. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.